Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Lincoln University's Gateway account. Let's get started. So to log into your Lincoln University's Gateway account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Lincoln University Gateway Login. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says Gateway University of Lincoln. So after tapping on that, it will take you to this website, and from here you can log into your account by tapping on this option which says sign in. So just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, now what you can do is just enter your Lincoln University's email address. After entering your Lincoln University's email address, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you have to enter your account's password. And after entering your account's password, just tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is you shouldn't tap on this option which says forgot password, but you just have to go back. And after going back, go head over to this page, and from here you can find this option which says change my password. So just tap on change my password, and after tapping on change my password, you can create a new password for your account. After creating a new password for your account, just tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, now you can enter your email address. After entering your email address, just enter your new password that you have created. After entering the new password, just tap on sign in, and you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Lincoln University's Gateway account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.